Believe it or not, children are actually the most productive people on the planet. So here are some things we can learn about their curiosity and their approach towards solving unfamiliar problems. What's up everybody, Tanvir Ahmed here. Welcome back to another faceless video. I really want to get back in front of camera, but the circumstances are tough. Today, I'm gonna give you 5 valuable productivity lessons that preschoolers can teach you. Number 1, channel your inner learner. Children instinctively pursue knowledge by actively moving around their environments, observing what's going on around them, and taking mental notes about what they experience. By assuming that there's always more to learn, we can follow the childlike drive to develop new ideas about familiar things. The second productivity lesson that preschoolers can teach you is spend time exploring. It's both natural and useful to take time to explore a task before committing to one path forward. While children tend to do this automatically, adults may need to plan ahead for their exploratory time. Exploratory. Is that a thing? Explore. Consider multiple solutions. Ask questions that may seem tangential, and be open to discovering unexpected ways to tackle the project. The third productivity lesson you can learn from children is to give yourself a blank slate. Adults generally do a great job of applying past knowledge to new situations. Children's brains thrive instead in unfamiliar contexts, in part because more contexts are unfamiliar to them. So the next time you're tasked with a completely new project, don't force your prior knowledge onto it. The fourth productivity lesson that you can learn from children is to bring pretend into the workplace. Children not only find unusual uses of existing objects, but they even invent new objects and ideas through imaginative play. And it makes children more productive in their play by allowing them to achieve the goals of their game without the restrictions of the limited resources at their disposal. The fifth productivity lesson you can learn from children is to welcome help. We're all aware that asking for help is important, but we're also very likely to cast off what we'd consider unsolicited advice. Think of a child looking for a lost toy. You might not even know where it is, but you can still help them with their search by asking them questions like, have you tried looking under the couch? What if it's in another room? Real learning happens in this zone. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already for more quality content like this. Hit that bell if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.